Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 20th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the US dollar CAD, I mean, I don't disagree that this kind of looks like it could be making like an A, B, C, and it possibly could go up a lot more. The only reason I don't think that is what's going on is because of the US dollar analysis, the DXY analysis. The US dollar DXY looks like it's already ended a pullback, and if the dollar's already ended a pullback, then the dollar CAD is probably already ended a pullback also, and it's probably just going to keep on going down from here. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. Now on the 1 hour time frame, if we start breaking structure to the upside in a big way, then yeah, we definitely want to get back to looking for longs. But I still think there's a good chance that this is going to end up going down. I still think there's a very good likelihood it is going to break structure to the downside, and I think that we are going to continue that higher time frame, the weekly, monthly, daily time frame downtrend that we are currently in on all of the very high time frames. So I'm definitely looking for shorts on these sort of time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.